Welcome. In this video I will show you how to download and install applications on your Hisense Smart TV. In the home menu, using arrow keys, navigate down to the App Store by DEIA App Store and click on it using OK button. Then wait until your TV enters the App Store, and then you can either navigate to the application you want to download, or you can use the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Press OK to select it, then press OK once again to start typing the name of your application. You can always press the return button, which is located to the bottom left from the down arrow key on your pilot or remote. Now let's download some application by selecting it. For example, let's download this Plex application, so you just have to navigate to it, press OK to select it, and press OK once again to start installing it, and then the application will be installed. And as you can see, it's located on the list of your apps. Press OK, and then to select it on your home menu, you just have to navigate to it and press OK to open it. And that's basically how you download and install different applications on your Hisense Smart TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.